what is the once an entrepreneur or a business owner individually he faces like, hey, this is it completely, so like I'm almost gone, so I have to stop the business right now, like due to a lot of considerations, a lot of situations, circumstance, whatever. Like what is the thing he has to think in that moment so that he can turn around?
Yeah. To understand why the systems that I want to close this business, because money is not coming. Only one thing is there. Because you start business not to do the charitable organization, right? You wanted to make money, and
Right.
money is your first primary objective was making money. But I am telling you, you slept at least 1 2 years. You did not make money, and you were okay with that one. And right now, suddenly, you are not able to make money. So you are thinking that I want to quit. Only concern is that just go back 2 3 years back. If you did not, if you haven't managed your money properly, and if your cash flow is not happening for next 5 to 6 months, can you survive or not? If you are not able to survive, it means that you have not created a perpetual business we can keep running. And that is still, I'm telling you, people think that I am running a business, but actually they are self-employment. Business, the definition of the business is which can run automatic without
Right.
being me present in the system.
Right.
So
Right.
अगर मैं पैसा नहीं जनरेट कर पा रहा हूँ बिजनेस से, इसका मतलब है या तो मैं गलत हूँ या तो बिजनेस गलत है. अगर बिजनेस सही होता तो वो पैसा बना रहा होता, या फिर मैं अगर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट होता तो मैं पैसा बना रहा होता. बट इट
Right.
डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट.
Exactly.
Understand, because right now since last 1 2 months 3 months you are struggling to manage the cash flow. मतलब पैसा नहीं आ रहा. इसका मतलब है कि 10 साल से तो बिजनेस चल रहा था, तो 10 साल का जो इनकम था, इट हैज बीन एक्चुअली कुछ तो कुछ काम कर लिया होता ना 2 3 महीने में.
Right. Right.
So managing was the skill, but we did not got that one. Right now, I want to quit the business, and this is not about the quitting the business. This is about that I want to say that this is difficult right now, and I am going to enter into the next venture, and that venture is going to rock. No, I must tell you that it is not, because you are along with you throughout your life. When you are in the graduation or in your business or in your school or in your marriage, you are the only person who was the constant.
Right.
So you are carrying yourself to the other place where you will be having the same person.
Right. Exactly.
Only one thing. Keep doing that one, keep reinventing that one, and making business is very good, but keeping business is more difficult even. And
Right.
that's what I said. It takes a character to build a business. It takes a character to become an entrepreneur.
It's a lot of things, learning from the mistakes and then getting the things done. It's
Yes,
a
getting
hell
the
lot
things
of a
done.
journey there.
Yes,
Right.
absolutely, absolutely.
Right. So, what is the biggest trend you think that now, post-Corona days, now people can position, or new age entrepreneurs or like the existing business owners can probably cross-correct themselves?
Post Corona, what I am right now seeing, even the people who are making money previously, they are making money in the corona time also, and they will keep making the money in the future. Maybe there will be halt of 6 months 7 months or 1 year, nobody knows, right? But
Right.
understand, that is what you business, that is what you did business. Then when I will not be available, my business should run without me working in the system itself. So now the question is that obviously it will have an impact, but it will be only minor impact in the journey of 40 50 years of your entrepreneurship. It's only 6 months or 1 year, let's consider. But look into your life, last 6 years back also you face the same challenge,
Right.
and 12 years back you face the same challenge. 18 years back you face the same challenge. 20 years back you face the same challenge, only name got changed.
Exactly.
Name got
Right.
changed. And you are the only person who survived in last 15 20 25 years 30 years. It means you will survive this phase only. Now the time has come. What you did last 15 20 25 years 30 years 40 years of your entrepreneur. I am right now 32 33. I haven't seen the life too much, but I can practically tell you the people who haven't survived there, they survived in next stage, the next stage, the next stage. An entrepreneur is only about the survival, and then only one success you need to become Amazon or Apple. Or you don't need
Super.
hundreds of success. You need hundreds of failure, but only
So
one
the
success will.
crack just one deal, that one thing,
Only
only
one
one
deal.
success.
Only one deal you need to crack. That's it. That's it. You on, and how you sail through all the failures, and understand you did not fail. your performance in that activity fail, and that is why you are labeling yourself, ठप्पा लगा रहे हो अपने आप कि मैं fail हो गया, मैं, you did not fail, your performance has failed, because if you have put the input, अगर आप एक डालोगे तो output भी आपको दो ही मिलेगा ना, you can't expect एक input डाला 50 input मिल जाएगा. It
Right.
doesn't happen like that. Yes, you will get 1 rupees का input से 50 रुपए का output, but it will take some time. And I'm telling you, 1 rupee will produce 100 rupee as well. But when you will vibrating in that energy, or you will have a such kind of people around you, I'm telling you, you will make millions. And that is what everybody's journey is. I am not a successful too much, but whatever I have decided 6 months ago, I am reaching here or not. 6 months ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, that is how I will be. I will be thinking about that one. So only one thing, it doesn't matter which system you are right now. Only this corona, I always tell people this, all those situations in the life will tell you 3 things. First thing is that they will make you aware. And second thing, they will ask you to accept. This corona situation has made us aware.
Right.
About my
Right.
business, about my family, about my health, about my environment, about my pollution, traffic, all those things. And third thing is that once you accepted that one, take action. आपने इन तीनों में से अगर एक भी चीज मिस कर दिया तो काम खत्म है.
Yes.
Right? Always understand awareness. आपको awareness आके भाई financial में problem था, अभी fix कर लेते हैं. There was too much traffic in the road, pollution was था, बहुत कुछ था ना. Right now everything is, right now we need to make aware. Now we were not taking care of health. Right now we will take care of health. This is the only awareness program. I am not thinking that this is corona actually. It's a universal awareness program is happening in this universe. And then you accept, हाँ भाई कि मैंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं किया है. Yes, I need to have a good immunity in myself. Immunity के कारण ही कोरोना का तो problem है, right?
Right.
And I was not sufficiently saved my money. That was also financial immunity, right?
Yes.
Physical immunity. Now, husband and wife, mother, father, everybody's in home right now. Then you need to also look into the area of relationship immunity. Otherwise, somebody is out, somebody is out.
Other way of
So
looking
are
at
you?
it.
Yes. So always understand this situation has put us into the program where 6 months ka internship, where we can relationship immunity, we can get love immunity, we can finance immunity, we can health immunity, everything in. And right now, if people did not accept this one, कि I made a mistakes last time, last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, in terms of health, in terms of relationship, in terms of money, I am telling you, next 5 years is going to be devastating in their life. क्योंकि आपने तो ले लिया ना, अवेयरनेस आ गई, लेकिन आपने एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया. आपको लग रहा है कि अचानक से आ गया. There is no accident in this universe.
Yes.
And then next 5-10 years, whatever immunity you will be making right now, it will keep going for your entire life. And there's a way of universal program, right? It's an internship actually, 6 months. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah.
Yes.
How important is the association of the right connections in the business matter? Because earlier we make a mistake of looking at everything as our customers, or everybody as our vendors or business partners or associates. Like, we don't know who is the right person to look at it, like kind of a shiny object syndrome or something. Like, whoever looks good, or whoever, okay, this guy can be my partner. So that's a crazy mistake, right? Looking at the association perspective.
First, I will ask the seller, are you right customer for everybody? Simple. Understand, I can't get a customer, I can't get a vendor, I can't get the people कि मैं पैसा नहीं देना चाहता हूं लेकिन मेरे को सब पैसा दे. It doesn't happen like in this universe.
Right.
Results you are getting from the outside is a unintended communication from your inside. आपको जो बाहर वाला रिजल्ट दे रहा है ना, कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है, वो आपके अंदर चल रहा है कम्युनिकेशन. So first, if I became right, I need not to search for the right set of people. Right set of people automatically will come in my life. And only question is that which kind of right I want to become. Right. I want to become right or wrong right.
Right. That's crazy.
If I want to become right, then perfectly. If I want to become wrong right, it means that you will be also struggling कि किसको call करके vendor, then you will be keeping the filterings in process.
Right.
It doesn't happen like that. Customer will filter होकर ही customer आएगा अपने पास में. because we
Yes.
need to become that kind of person, right? Filter होकर है आपके पास में आएगा. And I have seen in my business, I am telling you, I get good number of people, but when my mental state is not good, I get the people who say that I will pay you today, they will don't pay, tomorrow I will pay, they don't pay, and that is how everything. Then on the same moment I get aware कि भाई मैंने problem क्या करा, मैंने गलती कहाँ करी. I get accept कि भाई हमने मेरे को result मिला तो इसका मतलब मैंने कहीं पर problem किया है, गलती करी अपने दिमाग से. Redesign करना है, re-engineering करना है, और again you will be getting the same results.
Right.
This is a set formula. You need not to apply नहीं करना अपना दिमाग. मैं ज्यादा काबिल भी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मेरे को इतना पता है कि फार्मूला क्या है और फार्मूले को फिट कैसे करना है, खत्म.
That's it. Yes.
That's it.
Okay.
And people think that my life is अलग, मेरा life अलग है, different. No. Everybody's life is same. Only question is that you make yourself unique piece. You are not unique piece. Everybody has the same formula. Only one thing is that the person who fits in that formula will get succeed. अगर नहीं होएगा तो नहीं होगा, खत्म.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. In any trends would you like to recommend now to people to jump in or like start as a careers?
Right now you need to look into your life. I always keep recommending people, your parents are good people, their age is 45, 50, 60, something like that. You can't have the advice from 60, 70 years old person in the right now century, in this century, because there was a good things happening 45 years ago or 50 years ago. But right now, if those people are not able to understand the current scenario at the age of 15, 20, wherever we are right now, and we are taking the thought process from him, I am taking the thought process from him and applying in my lifestyle of current age. There is a mismatch. Taking the thought process from them, and keeping the lifestyle of today, it will not work.
100%. Agree with that. Yes.
Either you need to thought process lifestyle भी उनका रहेगा, thought process भी उनका रहेगा. आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते thought process उनका lifestyle आपकी, ऐसा नहीं होता. Understand, on that time situations were different, things were changing slowly. Today things change drastically, and if you are not a part of the movement, if you are not a part of the society, if you are not a part of that revolution, you will be left behind. And that has been seen in all the areas of the life.
Right.
So we need to keep an eye, we need to take the value system of our parents, but can't take the advice from them, keeping that I will be living my life in next 15, 20 years, 30 years like that. You can't. And they are not wrong or right. Only question is that we are not making ourselves available for these circumstances right now. And I don't want to produce the results as well. क्योंकि तब मैं आपको अपने बोल दूंगा ना कि अपने पिताजी के पास से मैंने बोला था ये. I have taken that thing from my parents, and then I will blame them, and I escaped, so I failed. And that is an escapism mechanism. बचना चाहते हैं हम. And understand why I tell people our parents are great, teachers, lawyers, all people are great, but understand, can you take them as a role model in terms of finances?
Not really. Yeah.
If you can't take them as a role model from the parents, then you want to live a life like them, then be like them. But if you don't want to live a lifestyle like them, but want to take the advice from them and want to implement that idea as of day to day, it is not going to work. FD rate was 10, 11, 12% 30 years back. Today it is about कि FD करा लो बेटा, FD करा लो बेटा, FD करा लो. But right now situation is 4% है ना, because they only understood FD, but they did not understood the rate of interest.
Right.
And what is FD? FD is the rate of interest fixed, and that is point. And FD करा लो बेटा मतलब क्या है कि उनका 40 साल पहले 10%, 12% पे rate of interest था. That product was brilliant on that time, but right now world is changing.
Yes. The whole dynamics. 100%.
That is what, yeah. Everything is changing right now. And I do not know that whatever I am right now speaking, tomorrow I will contradict that one. I do not know. Maybe. Because world is changing so fast, and I need to keep reinventing, keep re-educating, keep learning, keep relearning, keep unlearning. And that is what the way forward.